Hi everyone, welcome back with another brand new video, and today I have bring another awesome and interesting project that is 5 Kong star. This is the king of the Jungleland. Step aside, observe the real king just entered the crypto jungle and it is born from the means. Powered by community, so in this video, I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project that how can you grab this opportunity. You can also participate and buy it right now. You can hold and later you can sort of make a lot of passive income, so don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request if you are as Macrypto is an amazing project that have a massive potential inside and it can be a 100x potential. You can grab this opportunity and join this one and find out link in my video description. And here you also check out its total supply liquid is already logged and dev token visited and build it to pump. You can also find out its contract address and you can also check out all information related to con allocation like that you can also check out that 70% is reserved for the liquidity pool and 10% for team development and operation, as well as 5% for the marketing and community goals and 10% for the airdrop and 5% for appraisal is reserved here as well. We can also learn more information about the key of the main points. Kong Star Defense. This is the supreme in the mean Shanghai strong, loyal and unstoppable, and like pets. Delicacy, he earns his own way to the top and fueled by the freedom and community. He'll die over that competition as well. Join the pike and build an unbeatable tribe with Kong Star. Together we can clear the mean jungle, and you can also buy it right now. Here we can also check out the VN and mission of this amazing project and the fans too. Crown our true king in the mean queen kingdom, one that's fun, fearless and fueled by a legendary community. They are piling an empire where the ups run will memes rules the land and every holder has a voice in the jungle concert. Now we can also learn about this VN to swing past the first, dominate the mean seed and become the top hype community coin on the Solana blockchains. And they are not just going to the moon, they are climbing the whole galactic burn and plantations as well. So this project of a massive potential inside, even as you can say it have a 100x potential inside. Here you can also check out this roadmap that how the things are going on and defense in first phase they have going to single awakening, and you can also check more detail in phase 2 bananas and fire begins, and in next phase 3 con cultures, and there will be con and FT drop and mini P2P jungle game influencer collaborations and telegram at all at launch. As well in phase 4 they will be going to the legacy of the king, commodity Tau and cost stacking, and banana is in non-POM version. Centralized listing as well. Here you can also join the form starting part, become part of the most featured meme tribe boy here right now. And first, let how can you buy it can come on the deck screener and find out link in my video description. Here you can also find out the Kong Star with Solana block options, and here you also check out its grand price, and you can also check out some 0.7k Liberty, and here you can also check out its flow and market cap as well. Here on the price chart you can also analyze that its price is going up and it have a massive tester inside 100x professional. You can grab this opportunity right now. You can buy it, you can fold it and later because we'll make a lot of passive income as well. I also recommend it to all my community or my friend. Must be one is Telegram community to get latest news and updates and announcement.